Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back. The topic of today is months in Dinka language. Pɛɛi, Pɛɛi, Pɛɛi mean months. Let us begin from month number one. Pentok, Pentok, also called Nyet, Nyet, January. Penro, Penro, also called Kol, Kol. February. Pendiak, Pendiak, also called Akondit, Akondit. March. Penguan, Penguan, also called Akanti, Akanti. April. Pendiech, Pendiech, also called Adwong, Adwong. May. Penditum, Penditum, also called Aletbor, Aletbor, Aletbor. June. Pendro, Pendro, also called Akoldit, Akoldit. July. Penbet, Penbet, also called Bildit, Bildit, Bildit. August. Pendungan, Pendungan, also called Bialti, Bialti, Bialti. September. Pentiar, Pentiar, also called Lal, Lal, Lal. October. Pentiar Kutuk, Pentiar Kutuk, also called Orbek Lai, Orbek Lai, Orbek Lai. November. Pentiar Kuro, Pentiar Kuro, also called Konpiu, Konpiu, Konpiu. December. Pɛɛi, Pɛɛi. Moon, Pɛɛi, Pɛɛi. Months. Quell, Quell. Stars, Stars. Akol, Akol. Sun, Nyal, Nyal. Sky. Nyat, Nyat, Nyat mean cloud. Deng, Deng mean rain. Akol, Atuch, Akol, Atuch mean the sun is hot. The sun is hot. Pin, Pin mean ground or earth. Pin. So translate this one for me. Nyal Kopin, Nyal Kopin, Nyal Kopin mean what? Please translate it for me. I want to learn. Inakan, The End by William Majak Malek Deng. Ran Pui Tong Yang, Tong Yang, Dinka. YouTube name is Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe. TikTok Learn Dinka with Majak. Bye bye. Nyal Kawek Kuyania. Bye.